Amanda, and today we are going to be making our own lotion. So over this past few years, I've been trying to make small lifestyle changes to just help to lower my waste overall and just live a little bit more sustainably for the sake of the earth. I really hope I can inspire you guys to try this out, and if you do, definitely let me know. Also, let me know if you've tried any other recipes or if you are really curious about this. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Alright, so without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen. We're going to need 1 cup of shea butter. I'm using unscented here. Need half a cup of coconut oil. Vitamin E is optional, but I'm going to add a teaspoon for extra moisture, and then whatever essential oil scent you want. I have all my ingredients in a bowl, and I have some water, and we're just going to turn the stove on, and we're just going to melt and blend this all together. Alright, so our lotion mixture is completely melted now, so I'm just going to turn the stove off and pop this into the fridge for an hour.
1 hour later.
So it's actually been about an hour and a half, and I noticed that at an hour the middle part was still a little wet, so I just wanted to make sure that it was completely solid before I start mixing. You can also use a stand mixer for this step, but I don't have one, so I'm just going to use my hand mixer, and we're just going to whip this up so it turns into lotion. So the last step is to transfer our lotion mixture into an airtight jar, so that's what I'm going to do now. So that's it for this video. I really hope you guys give this a try. The best part is that you know exactly what ingredients are going into it, and you can also customize the recipe based on your preferences. So for example, if you think it's a little too oily, cut back on the coconut oil. You can swap out different scents depending on your mood, and each batch lasts me 4 to 5 months, so even though the ingredients do cost a little bit more upfront, it does last you quite a while. So that 12-ounce tub of unscented shea butter has lasted me 2 lotion batches, so it's not that bad. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot, and I'd love to see you guys back here. If you guys have any other video ideas that you want to see from me, definitely let me know, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!